Incredible greetings! Today I'm going to share with you a quick tip I discovered yesterday. Well, I discovered when can be useful, and it's how you import. You know that usually you use local pages from Internet Explorer, but there are other options. And finally, I see a user case for this. And even if you're no longer using Internet Explorer, this video will be helpful once you use SM19 and you use the default vanilla importer. So I will use my genuine case. I have this article. Biomechanical tractors, nice. And I have this image, but this image has a specific need because I do care about every single image, but it's like a collage, right? So every image will be too small, especially G, H, and I. And I do intend to make an extract of the images. So I really want a high resolution, which is here. But what will happen if I import this is that the image it's not found. Control F8. Okay, no worries. I still don't get why it works on the laptop but not here. Some websites work different. I don't know why. So I just use my clipboard. And here it is. Now it works. So look at the weight, 150 kilobytes. And oh yeah, let me insert that. Nice. So what happens now? Look at the resolution. 669 per 377. That's super low res, especially if you want to divide this into 8 or more sub sections, right? Well, this is when the new feature comes into play. So what I will do is, let me go to Internet Explorer, download high resolution image, copy this, and replace it with a global replace. So now I have the same image, but with a higher resolution. Almost 3000 per almost 1700. Nice. I can open this. In case you didn't know, there's some text here. If the image has text, what will happen is that it will become blurry. Because when you use copy-paste from the clipboard with images, SuperMemo will decrease the quality. You cannot avoid that. If you really want to keep the quality because there's text and the text is needed, you will have to go to the image registry, add, select it from your hard disk, then link it. Super cumbersome. So there's another solution that you have two pros. First, you get your original quality, lossless, and second, you get references automatically as a free action. So let's do that. First, let me delete it. And now, instead of using copy and paste, I will use the import dialog. And that's the article, and that's the image. So instead of local pages, we'll web pages, which I'm assuming will be your default importing mode. There's another one called page of images. And I import, and voila, almost as quick as going to the Internet Explorer or your browser, copy, go here, and paste almost the same time. But you have to browse original quality, and then I can look for this. So I can go to my references. Here it is. So now I know when I did imported this image, which not necessarily be the same day when I imported the article, and that's actually what happened in my genuine collection. It's not the same day. And you have where it comes from, the URL, as a free action. How cool is that? Even though it's for me that's not a deal breaker, right? I don't care about that. But yeah, the point is the lossless conversion. You're not losing quality. So when this could be useful? When the image is not found with Ctrl F8, so the image is not inline, it's just linked, usually because it's a higher resolution, and since it's a higher resolution, you want to keep the quality. So knowing this, and if you are using Internet Explorer or SM19 comes out with Microsoft Edge, what can you do is this option. And since I didn't memorize, because when I click page of images, I will be prompt. Oh, do you want to keep these settings for future imports? Just say no. So it will default to local pages again. So for me, it takes the same effort, but I get two free actions. Yeah, I will take it. Now keep in mind, I only did one image, but if I had more, so if I had two images, I could just click on both page of images, and instead of one image, I will get two images. Good to know, right? It's never too late. This user case is niche, even for me is niche, but knowing that, I will keep the original resolution for some images for no extra cost. Remember, if you want more videos and if you think my videos are useful, consider a donation, Patreon, or whatever you want to do. Links in the description. Or get the key with my link. And nothing more to add today. See you next time.